Hatshepsut's golden beehive, containing a live metal bee, the bee, injected with the pheromones of real honeybees, stings a person, most commonly a female, and imbues them with the aforementioned pheromones, allowing for manipulation of people who touch the person stung. Eventually those serving the queen go insane with obsession and resort to drastic and violent measures in order to protect their queen. The effect is negated when the stinger is removed by placing the empty bee on the queen's left collarbone, which acts as a magnet to the stinger.
So long. Beautiful. Sorry about that. I was gonna say butt pains. Ow! You alright?
Yeah.
You look so beautiful.
This thing's getting worse. Look at that.
Oh, God, on your wedding day. Mandy, what's wrong with you? Amanda, you poor thing.
I'll get you a Band-Aid.
Triple antibiotic. You need triple antibiotic.
Okay.
Turn hot!
Marines!
Major! Amanda. You look great, Major.
So glad you made it.
Sure, you look fantastic.
Oh, thanks, God.
It's ma'am.
So glad you guys are here.
You should sit down and rest, Major. Put your feet up.
No, I'm just a little.